Research firms Gartner and IDC can't agree on the exact number of Mac computers sold in the third quarter, but there's one thing they could agree on. Mac shipments slowed to the lowest rate in 2 years, according to both reports. So joining us now to break this down is Brett Molina, tech reporter at USA Today. Brett, great. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.
So how big of a concern is this to Apple? I mean, we've got the new iPhones have been off to a strong start. Of course, Apple has all of its other products that it sells as well. What's your outlook for MacBooks and iMacs?
Well, I think there is some concern, and it's part of the bigger picture issue with the Mac and the PC market, where more consumers are shifting toward tablets and smartphones for a lot of their day-to-day computing. And so there's less need for a stationary desktop or even a laptop computer. I think Apple's taken some steps to prepare for that. They just announced an iPad Pro recently, which will come with a keyboard and has a lot more power and is closer to what a desktop or a laptop experience might be.
Yeah, and IDC said that the overall PC market fell more than expected. To be fair, we should say that Apple's computers still managed to hold up better, according to these reports, than other PCs. But what kind of future do you see for the desktop market as a whole?
Well, according to IDC, short term, there's going to be issues. A lot of folks that are upgrading Windows 10, which is the new Microsoft operating system, they're just upgrading on existing devices as opposed to buying something new. But I think as more devices run Windows 10, there will be more people that will be enticed to purchase a computer. And with a lot of the other innovations that are happening too in the PC market, I think you'll see in the next couple years more people gravitating toward laptops and other PCs.
Yeah, and let's talk about Apple's main rival in the computer market, Microsoft, which is also making a big push to win market share there. I mean, after gauging the release of Windows 10 software, what is your opinion of the rivalry going forward? Do you think Apple should be concerned?
Well, I think Microsoft has introduced some really interesting stuff earlier this week with the Surface Book, which is their first attempt at a laptop, the latest version of the Surface Pro 4. What's really interesting, too, is they've really build these devices as portable, and you can do things as you could with a tablet, but you have opportunities to use the power and to do more higher end tasks that you would do on a traditional PC. So I think Microsoft, between Windows 10 and these new devices, I think they're going to give Apple a run for their money.
Well, Brett Molina, thanks for joining us today. Thank you for watching. I'm Morgan Brennan. Have a great day.
Hey YouTube fans, I'm Landon Dowdy from CNBC. Thanks so much for checking out our channel. Here you'll find videos packed with all the info that you need to be smarter about your finances. Be sure and subscribe by clicking right here and click on all the videos around me to see CNBC's original series Young Money, Tech Bet, Kramer's Mad Money, and all the latest from CNBC.